Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a couple of the products from the new Walk of No Shame line from Charlotte Tilbury. So I know there's been a little bit of confusion if it's completely different to the Walk of Shame line. Apparently some of the customers, this is what I read on Instagram, thought it was quite a negative name. So she changed it to Walk of No Shame, or it was something to do with trademarking the name. I've seen a few different reasons, but it is the same line. So I actually chose to wear the Walk of Shame lipstick on my wedding day, and I thought it was a bit of a weird name of a lipstick for, you know, walking down the aisle, but I absolutely loved it. I had a winter wedding, so it was just like the perfect shade for me, being a bit berry and rustic without being really bright. So I was really excited when the rest of this line came out. So I have purchased the Jewel Pot, which I'm very excited about, and the eyeliner, which I'm equally excited about because these are just my tones completely, and I love this packaging. So it's kind of a jewel top, and you can see all the product inside, and it is 3 grams. Now I've seen some posts that when you take this top out it can fall everywhere, so I'm going to do this very carefully. It's absolutely fine for me, no movement, it's fine. So it feels like a bit like a gel, and I've just tapped my finger on that and I've got some product already. Yes, I'm excited. So on my face I've just put concealer on my eyes and a little bit of blush. I've got the Fenty Rosa Latte, my favourite blush at the moment. The Fenty blushes are amazing, by the way. So let's have a zoom in, and I'm going to try one eye with my finger and then the other eye with a brush. So I'm just going to put my finger in and just have a couple of circles around, and yes, I love this. So let's have a little look, make sure you guys can see me. That is really sparkly. It's looking a lot duller on camera actually, but when I kind of sit up a little bit it should look brighter. So it's really like rosy with a little bit of red going through and some copper. It's really nice. I'm just going to deepen that on my lid a little bit, take it right into my corner, and then I'm just going to work whatever's left on my finger up onto my brow bone. So I'm going to try the other side with a brush. You can definitely build it up on a brush as well. Oh yes, I like this. I think a combination of blush and fingers would be your best bet, because it's definitely blending into my brow bone a bit better. So I'm just going to dust that all over, and then I'm going to go up here a little bit more and just keep trying to build it up. I'm not going to go underneath today. I want to kind of recreate that look she's been doing. That's just this and the eyeliner. This is so pretty. And now I'm going to go back in with my finger and try and dab it on. Yes, dabbing is the way forward. So I don't think there's too much difference between this and the Pillow Talk eyeliner. I think this is a little bit more red. And I've seen a little bit of confusion. You can tell I read a lot of Instagram. So this is the same colour as the matte colour on the copper, was it the Copper Charge dual pencil that she brought out for the eye colours. So a lot of people have been like, oh, it's very similar, but it is exactly the same. So I'm just going to start at the centre of my eye, and I'm going to draw that little wing. So from the base of my eye, just drag it up. Okay, so I've just started drawing the line across here, and then I'm just going to go sort of from mid that line and start taking it across my eye. So this is the first time I've actually used a Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner, and first things first, this is smooth. So smooth that I'm not having to press hard. I think you can hear my son again, sorry. Not having to press hard, and it's just so easy to use. And oh my god, look at this colour, it's so lovely. Into this bit, little bit but I don't like going all the way into the corner. So obviously you can make your liner a lot smaller. So on this side I'll just do like a small line and then I'll do my wing afterwards, if that's the kind of look you go for. Just going to keep it really close to my lashes. It's so smooth, it's like I'm barely touching it. The pigment's really nice. So if you like keeping the line quite close, you can see you still get the colour payoff. Yeah, I do like this liner, and I think this liner on its own with nothing else would be really nice. I'm just going to wing this one now. I've done both of the liners now. I am going to do the waterline here. I just kind of concentrate on the outside, sort of to the centre. I just think it makes a big difference. I'm going to pop on the new mascara, which you might have watched my review for, which is the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes, which I absolutely love. What I'm going to do as well is just pat some of that lipstick on the apples of my cheeks. The eyeliner is a really, really nice colour, and I was worried it wasn't going to suit my eyes so much with them being brown. I thought it was going to end up the same colour as the lipstick. So this one is the lip liner and this one is the eyeliner. So the eyeliner is obviously a lot more brown. So that was what I was worried about. I was worried it was going to come and be really, really red and not be as wearable as I wanted it to be. But this is so wearable. And this look, if I wasn't filming, would literally take me 5 minutes. So I don't wear foundation unless it's like a special occasion. So I've got concealer, I've got cream blush. I've just put that lipstick on my cheeks and I love it. Walk of Shame lipstick, which I just love. It'll always remind me on wedding day. The Jewel Pot concealer underneath the Jewel Pot, the eyeliner and the Pillow Talk. You could go underneath as well. So if I smudge this underneath here, just take it there. It blends out so nicely. Oh, I really like that. I'm just going to take it inside the waterline. So I've just done that really quickly. Okay, so this is the thing I've been seeing. The red really comes out on your waterline, so it looks a bit bloodshot. So I think what I do is I'd normally use, if I was going for a little bit and I wanted to line my waterline, I think I'd use this one on top and a brown on the inside, but use the Walk of Shame and Walk of No Shame, sorry, underneath. I really like it. I don't feel like I need like false eyelashes in the day, but I think this look with false eyelashes, dragging the liner out a bit more, maybe adding a little bit of depth in this corner with a darker colour, adding highlighter, things like that, it'd be a really good look. So I am all for this range. Is, yeah, great. Thanks very much for watching.